Directors of the Kenya Tea Development Agency allied factories from the west of Rift region have attributed the low bonus payouts to farmers for the financial year 2024-2025 to market dynamics, which include, among other factors, the dollar-shilling exchange rates.
As Wycliffe Oketch reports, KTDA Directors dismissed claims that allowance paid to them are eating into farmers' payouts.
Majority of tea factories across the country have registered a reduction in bonus payouts to farmers for the financial year 2024-2025, a development that farmers have vehemently protested. Some farmers claimed that the reduction was caused by exorbitant allowances paid to the directors, claims that the directors have denied. Instead, the directors of KTDA allied factories in the west of Rift region have attributed the dip to the stability of the shilling against the dollar over the past year.
Directors, as usual, as has been said, are entitled to a small allowance that has been mentioned here, an allowance of 18,000 shillings per sitting. And that is not what is making the west of Rift factories not to perform.
Wale wenzetu ambao wamesema chai yetu, mafactory yetu ifanyiwe audit. Sisi kama board members, country mzima, mafactory 71 wa KTDA, sisi hatuna kukataa, hatuwezi kataa tukatae wasije kufanya audits. Wache wafanye audits na cost ile malipo, the ones who are doing it wajipatie hiyo costs.
To fetch better returns for their produce, the directors said the factories are employing sustainable measures, among them direct tea sales abroad, minimizing the cost of production by reducing energy costs and adopting high-value tea varieties, among others.
We request the government to assist KTDA in looking for markets outside this country.
Mambo ya ununuzi wa chai yetu kwenda nje, wale wanunuzi wanataka quality. Bottom line.
They also want the Kenya Tea Board to effectively scrutinize emerging private factories to avoid flooding. For Channel 1, I am Wycliffe Oketch.